So there has been an update to the MetaTrader 5 app, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of the new features and benefits, why you should update the app and how to trade it. What's good everyone, it's Newman here and you're welcome to my channel. So the new update to the MetaTrader 5 app comes with some really cool features which all of you should try. And there's this one that makes you close all your running trades with just one click. Wow, sounds like magic. Well, I'll be showing you guys in a bit what actually I'm talking about. So over here, as you can see, I have 4 trades running and I'm shorting gold, right? So in trading, when we say long something, we mean to buy, and when we say short, means to sell. So on your MetaTrader 5, you can just long press on your trade running, and then you see these options here. We have close position, modify position, trade, depth of market, chart, and bulk operations. Now you notice the new thing. Yeah, that's where all the magic happens. So you click on bulk operations, and then here we have close all positions, close profitable positions, and co. So these are basically new functions that can help cut your losses down to 50%, and also just generally help you not to blow your account. You know, usually when you're trading CPI and you're trading news, the market tends to be very volatile. So by the time you close individual trades, you can just blow your account in the process. So this function is going to be very useful. So I'll just enter a few more trades here on AUD to demonstrate what I'm talking about. So now I've entered 2 buy positions on AUD, and you can all see they are both running at a loss, right? So assuming I want to close all profits and hold on to this trade, doing it the old way, we'll just slide to the left and click on the yellow button and then later press close position. But now instead of doing that one by one, you can just long press on the individual trade, go to bulk operations, and then from here you can just go to close all profitable positions. Or better still, I can just say close gold positions or close sell positions. So it's all like the same thing for this scenario, right? So I'll just retest that again and see how it works. So you can see it closes all the trades that were in profit just now. I'm using a demo account for this video, and you can clearly see that only the trades that were running in profits have been closed. And now I only have 2 trades running, that is the AUD, right? So this is how you use the new MetaTrader 5 update. I mean, if you haven't updated yet, you should definitely do that for a better trading experience, right? So I'm going to try this one last time. This time around I'm going to sell gold again, and then we see how it goes. So assuming you are running a trade and then everything is in loss, right? You are just making losses and your account is slowly being liquidated. So now instead of you going one by one to close individual trades, you can just swipe left on any of the running trades, press the 3 dots, and then you can see bulk operations below. So at the very top you see close all positions, right? So I'm going to close all positions, and just like that every trade has been closed. This will help preserve, especially if you are trading with small account, this can easily save your life, right? So that's basically it. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. So I do simple tutorial videos like this on forex and crypto trading. So if you want to learn more about trading, you should definitely be subscribed to this channel. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.